Hello guys, welcome back to Smyan Academy. Today, I'm going to teach you how to multiply by 75, 750, and 7,500. This is going to be super fast and it's a really simple trick. It's very similar to the 25s trick, however, instead of doing just multiplying by 1, we're going to multiply by 3 and then divide by 4. So, I know this might sound complicated at the start, so let's move on. Okay, so let's go step by step. I'm first going to read this, but I'm going to underline each specific step because this huge paragraph might sound complicated. To multiply by 75, 750, or 7,500, first multiply your number by 3. That's the first step. I'm going to write a number 1. Then add 2 zeros for 75, 3 zeros for 750, or 4 zeros for 7,500. That's step 2. Or move the decimal point. This is important because this applies, like our previous videos, this applies for any type of carrying types of questions. So I'm just going to put a little asterisk over here. Finally, divide the result by 4, which means step 3, you divide the total result by 4. So hopefully that kind of made sense, but let's go into more detail while we solve these practice problems. Okay, so let's see, 32 times 75. So according to our steps guide, we know that we first have to multiply the number we're multiplying by 75 first. So it's 32 times 3. That's our first step. So 32 times 3 with basic mental math is going to be 96. Okay, so after we get that done, we have to move on to the next step, which in this case will be step number 2, which we have to add the zeros. So since we're multiplying by 75, we need to add 2 zeros. So let's go 1, 2. We don't have to move the decimal point yet because we're just doing regular numbers, no decimals needed yet. So 9,600. Now our final step is we divide that result by 4. So since it's divisible by 4, I'm just going to put a little division sign, 4. So 9,600 divided by 4, I'll write that over here. Well, using our basic steps, if you know that 4 times 25 is 100, that means 4 times 24 will give you 96, because 100 minus 4 gives you 96, and 96, yes, is a multiple of 4, giving us an answer of 24. So we could just add those 2 zeros. So 2,400 is our answer. You can verify with the calculator and you get that same answer. Alright, let's move on. 91 times 750. So 91 times 750, we're going to use that same principle. We're going to first multiply this number by 3. 27.3. So 273. Simple math, you just need to multiply 1 by 3 and 9 by 3 and just leave them there. Okay, next, now what we're going to do is, since it's 750, we need to add 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros using our rule. So now all we have to do is divide this value by 4. So you're just going to have to visualize this. But if you just think about it, your first digit is going to be 6. Because 6 is the only number that could actually divide into 27. So you're going to have to put 24, bring down to 3. So now you have to say, okay, we have 33. What goes into 33? Okay, 8. So now that we have the 8, and we're left with the 2, and in 10, when you go into the 1-0 pattern, you'll end up with 2, and then finally after that 2, I'll just still show it to you, but after you do the 2, you'll get 2, 0, and it'll end in a 5. So 2, 5. So that's 1, 2, and 2, 0. There we go. Alright. I just don't want to make any mistakes, making sure we're doing this right. It's kind of wonky over here. So let's erase this stuff. Alright. So let's just fact check it to see if we got the right answer, because I want to show to you if we're doing this right. So let's first verify if it was 1-0, because I think I got it was a little bit too messy over here. But we could just check it. So 6,868,025 clears 91 times 750. Enter. Yep, we did it right. I just checked it with the calculator and we did it right. It's just that what happened was, since we did that carry stuff over here, it kind of got messy. Over here, it got really messy, so kind of messed it up. Alright, so moving on. In mental math, you won't get the time to do scratch work stuff, and they won't let you do it. So you're just gonna have to think of doing long division in your head, or just think about your regular division tricks. Oh, I know right away that 4 times 6 is 24, and then 24 is the closest thing to 27, and it's not 4 times 7. You're just gonna have to be fast about it. That's all you have to do. Okay, going to our practice problem. So 86 times 750, same rule. 86 times 3 is going to give us 8 carry the 1. 258. 258 with 3 zeros. And we're going to divide that by 4, which is going to give us a 6. And you're going to have 18 after all that stuff. So you're going to have 6, 18, and then 4 is the only one that goes into 6. This might sound complicated, but all I'm doing is this long division, and I'm explaining it in words. So just do long division in your head, and you should get the answer of 6, 4. After that, you get 2, so that's going to be 5. So your answer should be 64,500. Alright, moving on. 15 times 75. Pretty simple trick. Multiply this by 3. 45. Add 2 zeros. Divide that by 4. And you should get 11. You should get 1125. Done. You could use the 5's trick for that. I'll cover that later. But 5, any number that ends in 5 and they both end in 5, there's a really cute, simple trick. So check that video out later. Okay, next we're going to do 43 times 3, giving us 129. Since it's 7,500. I didn't cover it in our regular one, but the rule for this one is you add 4 zeros. And the trick to know how many zeros to add is just count the digits. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 digits in 7,500. So you add 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's big. So that's in the millions now. So now what we do is we're going to divide this by 4. So I'm just going to write it over here, and your answer should be, after doing all that long division of dividing 1,290,000 divided by 4, and your answer should be 32250. Depending on your level, some middle school competitions might not involve these huge numbers. They might not go into 4-digit, but high school, yeah, it might go there. But you'll get used to it after a lot of practice. Okay, so 59 times 75. Well, you could do the trick I told you at the start, which I'm going to show you now, but there is also a really shifty way to do this. You can multiply 75 times 60 and subtract 75. That's another trick you could do because it ends in a 9. But that might be a little too complicated. So let's stick with our regular trick. So 59 times 3 is 7, carry the 2, 177, and 177 with 2 zeros because it's 75. And when we divide that by 4, using long division, we should get 4,425. Well, Those are all our correct answers. I'm going to circle them. You see, sometimes the numbers are really big and you're just going to have to like do the long division if possible. If it's too hard, sometimes like big numbers, it might give you like 4-digit. You might have to spend more than 5 seconds on these problems, which might be time consuming. So you might want to decide which problem should I skip, which problem should I come back after I'm done with the test. You see what I'm saying? Okay, so hopefully, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions or want some other type of content. This might have been a little confusing, but trust me, I learned all this stuff by just keep on practicing those concepts again and again. Keep taking like more practice tests. Like in this era, you have like AI. You could just tell it to give me a practice test full of number sense questions and stuff like that. And just keep practicing each topic that I go through. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment, because if you watch more of my videos, you'll likely get better at number sense and you'll understand in a very simple way. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye.